Hi everyone, it's Rosie and welcome to another video. Today's video is a DIY tutorial on how to create these really adorable raccoon corner bookmarks. They're so much fun and they're so easy. I really hope you enjoy. So the first thing you need to do is take one sheet of A4 white paper. You could use a piece of grey paper, but I'm just showing you that you can do it with just a plain white piece of paper. So first thing to do is fold it in half and then cut it into two pieces. Each piece will make one bookmark. Now we need to turn this into a square. So take one corner of the piece of paper and fold it up to the opposite side of the paper so it really lines up nicely along the edge, and then fold down the crease nice and flat. Now we just need to cut off the excess, but keep this for later because we will use it. Okay, so you've actually got your first fold here, so just leave it as the triangle and then take the two bottom corners and fold them up to the top corner, to the top point, and flatten down the creases. Try and get this as neat as possible, but don't worry if you don't get it perfect. Now we just need to take the top corner and fold that down, but only the top sheet of paper, and there's only one paper, but the top sheet, top layer. And now we need to fold back up the corners and then fold down the tips of them so that we can create the ears. So flatten these down and then do the same on the other side. Try and make them as even as possible. And now we're just going to fold them back like this, underneath the other piece. And then flatten them down. And there we have our bookmark. Now we just need to decorate it, turn them into this little guy. So, first thing I'm going to do is take that spare piece of paper. Now you don't need to fold this in half, unless you are using a grey piece of paper, in which case you will need to, but I'm not, so I don't need to. I just forgot that at the time. So what you need to do is cut this into this shape, sort of rounded and into a point, because these are the cheeks of the raccoon. So you will need to if you've got a grey piece and just glue these on, but I'm going to use these as a guide to draw around. So I'm just going to hold these down and draw around them with just a normal grey pencil, and then draw on the outline of the little mask. Now it's just time to take a grey and black Sharpie and get colouring. So first I'm going to do the nose, and then draw two circles for the eyes in the mask, but leaving quite a bit of white in the middle, and then colouring in all around them. Now before colouring in the ears, I'm just going to slip the spare piece of paper behind them so that I don't get any marks on the rest of the bookmark. And I'm just going to colour these in black. And then taking the grey colour, I'm just going to colour this in all around the outline I drew earlier on the main part of the face. now I'm just going to do the eyes. And he's done! So there we are, there's how to make some raccoon corner bookmarks out of just one sheet of paper. I really hope you enjoyed. These are so cute and they're so much fun. They look so nice when they're in your books. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're having an amazing summer. I will be showing you how to do some more designs over my next few videos. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!